Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Akshaya.
Hi, Akshaya. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I am also fine. Thanks for asking.
Yeah, I'm also doing thank you.
Yeah, welcome. So, do you know any animal that can fly in the sky?
Unicorn?
Unicorn. Okay. Do you think it really exists?
Yeah, it is very interesting.
Okay. Then, do you know any bird that cannot fly?
Penguin?
Penguin. Yeah. Hmm.
Uh,
Tell me more things about penguin.
yeah, penguin can live on the cold place.
Mm-hmm.
It will not live in a like hot place.
Mm-hmm.
It is also a need summer thing. It will only be in the polar region.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it is comfortable for that place. Otherwise, it may dead. I think so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, what you are telling about it?
So I think penguins are very cute birds, but they don't have feathers, so they cannot
Yeah,
fly.
yeah. The color is black and white.
Hmm. Do you think
Hmm.
penguins can swim easily?
Yeah, it is swim easily, but because it is in the polar region.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it may very like many ice cubes.
Mm-hmm.
It may sometimes after it also be started to be like liquid.
Mm-hmm.
The formation of a liquid it can be after that it will be in the like a small pond.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it can swim in that and drink water. This
Mm-hmm.
like for us any separate home. Like for them also the polar region is a separate home for them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. So, do you know any other bird that cannot fly?
Mm, I I know only the penguin.
Oh, I think there is one biggest bird that cannot fly. Do you know?
Yeah, ostrich
Yeah, that is ostrich. Hmm. Then do you know why it cannot fly?
because it is very big and
Mm-hmm.
the leg is very big and it has feathers
Mm-hmm.
and big mouth.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, when I was going to a zoo, I saw that.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, in that it is like a park,
Mm-hmm.
but it's not a park, but it is a real ostrich.
Mm-hmm.
There's many like
Mm-hmm.
dog, cat,
Mm-hmm.
and cow,
Mm-hmm.
elephant, like many variety of animals and birds also, like a color cheeks.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like a ostrich, small bird,
Mm-hmm.
an ostrich egg.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like there be so many things. Where ostrich it has big legs
Mm-hmm.
and like on body like structure,
Mm-hmm.
and it has a neck big teeth,
Mm-hmm.
and it has a face,
Mm-hmm.
and it has a big nose.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like that. It has many things. It's very interesting to see that.
Yeah.
I'm
Which
very
kind of
excited.
which kind of colors can you see in ostrich?
It is like skin color and also uh like a brown like brown in the feather and white.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, this is the correct.
Yeah, you're right. Do you think that um, ostrich can run very fast in the world?
Uh, yeah, I'm thinking so.
Okay. Do you know ostrich is the fastest running bird?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. And do you know kiwi?
Kiwi, I don't know about it.
Kiwi is also a bird. It
Yeah, I hear that name, but I don't know.
mm,
I don't see anywhere.
mm,
Yeah, mostly when I was going, I'm excited where we are going, but
mhm.
I don't see a bird like that. So
Okay.
I may forget about it. Or
Okay.
I didn't see this.
Okay. No problem. So I'm telling you, kiwi is a small bird that cannot fly because it doesn't have feather, but it has beak.
Oh, that like in tree hunger.
No,
In the tree it will stack and make home
no,
like
it's
a
not like
hole.
that. It live in the floor and jump. Like, do you know hen? Hen?
Yeah.
How hen walk? They kiwi also walk and it jump also. It cannot fly.
Oh,
Yeah,
it is like a duck.
yeah. What is duck?
It will swim in the pond.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is it a fish?
No,
What is that then?
it is also like animal.
Oh, do you
Yeah.
think duck is a bird?
No, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, duck is a bird. Okay. So do you know any other bird that looks like duck?
Dog,
Duck, duck.
duck,
Yeah.
penguin,
Oh, okay.
and like cat,
Oh,
ostrich.
okay.
When ostrich sit, it will be like duck.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, interesting. Yeah. When ostrich will sit, it will definitely look like duck. Okay. Hmm. Tell me something about crow.
Crow is in color, black color. It will
Okay.
be in many trees,
Mm-hmm.
and it eat like water
Mm-hmm.
and food. What we are keeping, it will eat,
Okay.
and many more things that will eat.
Okay.
And it has a black like mouth.
Okay.
Yeah, it will caw like that
Mm-hmm.
sound.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. Then do you know what is cuckoo?
No.
Cuckoo. Don't you know cuckoo?
Cuckoo
Yeah.
song.
No. Cuckoo is a bird that can sing.
Oh,
Yeah.
but here is no cuckoo like that. I didn't
Okay.
hear about it.
Okay. When for seeing cuckoo, you have to wake up early in the morning because in the morning only cuckoo sings.
Oh, then tomorrow I will wake up. But in which time it will come?
So it will come in like natural places. If you have many trees near to your home
Yes.
and you are not living in crowded city area, you
No.
can listen the voice of cuckoo in between 5 to 7.
But in our home it will be in night sometime 10 to 9 or 8 to 9 or
Mm-hmm.
7 to 6 like that time.
Yeah. So, but in the morning, usually I heard cuckoo voice, cuckoo singing, and
What song did he sing at the
it's
morning?
like it's like coo, coo, like that.
Oh,
It's very interesting when You listen in the morning. It's relaxing my mind.
Oh,
Yeah.
but in our area, the night time it will be like cuckoo, cuckoo, like that.
No, no, that is not like that. It will not sing like cuckoo, cuckoo. It will be like coo, coo, like that.
Yeah, yeah, I'm telling. I don't know to sing like that.
Okay, okay, no problem. So, do you know any talking word?
No,
Don't you think parrot can talk?
yeah, Australia parrot can talk like that,
Mhm.
but the like it is many rupees causes that
Mhm.
for buying that it is many like some it's a very
Mhm.
we tell sit down means it sit means it will be like 1,000 or 10,000 like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's very money causes.
It's not like that. We got one parrot for free. It was
Mm.
injured actually, so we kept it
Mm.
in our home in a cage. So when we were teaching it that how to talk, so he learned few words. He was saying his name. He was calling his father, and he was asking food like that. He learned these things.
Yeah, when did you go that?
Oh, 10 year before?
Oh, now only he's learning a day by day.
No, no, he is not alive now.
Oh, what happened to him?
I don't know what happened. He got fever for 2 days. Then after
Uh,
that, he died.
oh, I'm sorry for that asking.
No problem. It's okay.
Mm.
Hmm.
Do you got another thing?
Okay.
Do you got any other part? Another part?
Another part of?
Yeah, part, parrot.
Oh, parrot, parrot. Yeah.
Yeah,
No, I think we should not keep any bird in cage because birds should fly in the skies so that they will feel independence. If we will keep it in a cage, they will not feel independent. They will feel bored in the cage every time.
yeah.
So I don't.
Some birds they can like the lovebirds. They can keep like a cage. It's not
Mhm.
a problem because we are keeping safe in the cage. When it's
Mhm.
go, in the sky, the crow will catch it and eat it. So
Oh.
wrong.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
yeah.
What is
So it,
lovebirds?
yeah, it is a bird.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Which kind of birds it is?
it is like home birds. We
Mhm.
can keep in our home.
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm,
Then, in which color we can get lovebirds?
in many colors,
Like?
like green, blue, red, orange, white.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah, but it will not be in violet color.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, for that it will leave egg also.
Mhm.
Yeah, in that it may come around. We don't know about it. Yeah,
Okay.
because I'm telling this to humans.
Mhm.
We have to go on the one time.
Mhm.
After that, we gave that,
Mhm.
and what they do, I don't know about it.
Mhm.
Yeah, we grow pet also.
Okay.
Yeah, what happened to him also, I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm so sad about it.
So sorry about that.
Hmm.
Okay. Hmm. So, can you tell me any bird who likes to hunt animal or anything that for that Because of that, he wants to eat meat.
Like tiger,
No, no, I'm asking any bird who
bird,
likes to hunt.
the cuckoo,
No, cuckoo is vegetarian.
mm,
Why cuckoo would like to hunt?
like
Hmm?
tree fisher,
No.
kingfisher,
Yeah, kingfisher, I think we can say. Like, do you know vulture? Vulture?
uh,
Eagle?
yeah,
Yeah?
yeah. Sometimes it may also do that, like that.
Mm-hmm.
Rabbit also it ate one time. I saw on the real.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, did you saw any birds that are being destroyed in your country?
Endangered bird?
Yeah, it is dangerous for us also.
Mm. Yeah. So tell
Hmm.
me some endangered birds name.
What?
Tell me some endangered birds name.
It is danger.
Yeah.
Yeah, lovebirds is also in a danger.
Okay.
And like pigeon also in a danger.
Okay.
And mm, like parrot
Okay.
is also in a danger.
Okay.
Yeah, because why I'm telling this to you means, mm, uh, the parrot we may somebody will grow in a home.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it is also a dangerous thing.
Okay.
And
So if you
mm,
had a chance to become uh, any to become Prime Minister of India, then what would
mm,
you do for birds?
I say, oh, we should not hunt anything, animals and birds.
Mm-hmm.
We should give more foods to them.
Mm-hmm.
Um, we should help them. We should not keep birds in our home.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What do you do for that?
Then if I had a chance to become Prime Minister one day,
Mm,
I would definitely make some area where
mm.
can where birds can live happily and nobody would hunt it. So I will make a strict law for hunting. If anybody would hunt any kind of bird, I will
Yeah,
give
they
a strict
will be
punishment.
arrested like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. What? This is also a correct thing.
Mhm.
Yeah, we should do it.
Okay.
Yeah. Then how we are telling, like it's a very important thing to become a prime minister.
Okay.
Like it's a very thing. It's an important thing.
Mhm.
We can't live without any like we can't live without any dangerous thing.
Mhm.
Yeah, it may causes our life like day by day. Yeah, and we should avoid dangerous in our life and
Mhm.
also in others' life.
Okay.
Yeah, how we are telling this, how we are thinking this a lot.
Actually, I don't think much about it. Mm.
Hmm.
Okay. And it was nice conversation with you, Akshay. Shall we hang up now?
Yeah, have a nice day. Take care.
Have a
Bye
great,
bye.
have a nice day. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Thank you. Bye.